Hey there, soil superheroes. Welcome back to the channel where we turn dirt into pure gold. Your garden's gold mine, that is. Today I'm about to spill the soil secrets that'll transform your garden from May to magnificent. Yep, we're talking about 10 proven techniques to supercharge your soil and make your plants absolutely thrive. Let's dig in. First up, compost. Nature's multivitamin for soil. It's packed with nutrients and helpful microbes. Spread 3 inches on top of your soil and gently mix it in. And hey, you can even make your own from food scraps. Free soil nutrition? Yes, please. Next, mulch is your soil's best friend. Think of it like a blanket. It locks in moisture, blocks weeds, and breaks down over time to feed your plants. Go for straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. Your soil will thank you. 3 words. Plant cover crops. Clover, peas, rye, they protect your soil all winter and add nitrogen when tilled in. It's like a seasonal spa treatment for your garden. Now, ever heard of soil pH? Most plants love slightly acidic soil, about 6 to 7 on the pH scale. If it's too acidic, add lime. Too alkaline? Sulfur or peat moss will do the trick. Pro tip, get a pH tester to keep your soil in its sweet spot. Organic fertilizers are a game changer. Worm castings, fish emulsion, or bone meal deliver nutrients naturally. And let's not forget about aerating. That's just poking holes in compacted soil to let air and water in. Your roots will breathe easy. Got earthworms? They're like free labor for your soil, tilling it and leaving behind rich castings. Keep soil moist and add organic matter to invite these wiggly workers in. Don't forget crop rotation. Switching plant families each year prevents nutrient depletion. And if you're tired of tilling, try no-till gardening. Just layer compost on top and let nature do its thing. Last but not least, biochar. This secret weapon locks in nutrients and moisture for years, centuries even. Alright, quick fixes for common problems. Clay soil? Add sand and compost. Sandy soil? Peat moss and compost. Poor drainage? Try raised beds or perlite. So which tip are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Remember, great gardens always start from the ground up. See you next time.